Prepare to equip your loyal canine companions with the ultimate protection in Minecraft, because today, we're diving deep into the art of crafting custom Wolf armor. First things first, ensure you have gathered enough iron. You'll need 1 piece of iron ingot for each segment of your Wolf's armor. That means head, body, and legs. The tougher the material, the better the defense. Next, head over to your trusty crafting table. Transform those raw iron ingots into smooth iron plates. These are the building blocks for our magnificent Wolf armor. Now for the essential component, the armorer's templates. You'll need these special crafting materials to guide your smithing process. You can find them in various structures like blacksmith shops in villages or loot chests scattered throughout the world. Keep an eye out for them. With your iron plates and armorer's templates in hand, it's time to find your smithing table, place it down and interact with it. You'll see a special interface designed for unique armor crafting. Here's where the magic happens. Place one of your armorer's templates into the first slot of the smithing table, then fill the second slot with your crafted iron plates. And voila! Depending on the template you used, you'll see a piece of Wolf armor appear. In the output slot, you'll craft the headpiece, the body piece, and the leg pieces separately, each requiring its own template and iron plates. Once you have all 3 pieces, head, body, and legs, simply right-click on your tamed Wolf with a piece of armor in your hand. Your loyal companion will instantly be adorned with their new protective gear. This custom Wolf armor provides significant defense against hostile mobs and environmental hazards, allowing your Wolf to bravely join you on your most perilous adventures. From deep caves to intense battles, keep them safe, and they'll always have your back.